This is the new series that I'm starting from today on my YouTube channel for specially interior designers, how they can scale their business, generate thousands of leads, hundreds of sales, and increase their revenue and skyrocket their business using the power of social media marketing and advertisement. These are the two main elements that their business needs. There are lots of other interior designers are using this and leveraging this, but still more than 90% interior designers are not leveraging the power of social media marketing and social media advertisement. So this is going to be the series of 7 to 8 videos where I'm going to walk you through how you can start and build the foundation of your social media marketing, your own online foundation, or what we can say like anything, how you can like start building your brand online. That might be your personal brand, your business brand, company's brand, whatever brand you have to build. This series is going to be teach you how you can start this, leverage this, and scale your business to the next level. So this is how the series is going to be performed. Let me tell you that the first 2 videos is going to be totally on social media marketing, which is the best platform for you. Part 1 is this, I'm going to talk about ahead, but first of all let me give you the overview of this whole series. So the first 2 videos is going to be on social media marketing, how you can build your foundation, what are the most important things you need to know, and how you can start and build your foundation, omnipresence, strategy, lots of things I'm going to cover in these 2 videos. The third video is going to be on organic marketing, how you can generate leads for your own self using organic marketing. Because when you get inbound leads, when customer is reaching out to you, you are not going for the customer, customers are reaching out to you, clients are reaching out to you, floods of leads, ocean of leads are coming to you. That's where the whole game changes. So how you can build that full organic marketing funnel, that I'm going to teach you in third video. Now the next most important part came into the picture is Facebook ads. This is my favorite part, and this is where I'm going to teach you how you can create your own Facebook ad campaign and scale it, generate leads through that. What kind of audience you have to target, what kind of audience set you need to know about that, what kind of the ad strategy you need to focus on, how you can generate leads at cents, at less price as you can, like 0.8 cents, 0.86 cents, $2, $3 leads, how you can generate that, how you can close them, how you can nourish them. We are going to talk about each and everything in detail in these 2 parts. So the first 2 parts going to be on the social media marketing, third part is organic strategy, fourth and fifth part is going to be on Facebook ads, seventh part is going to be on the landing pages. Let me tell you one thing, nowadays website is not going to work for your business to generate more leads. You need the power of landing pages and the sales funnel, proper upsell, downsell, how you can set up, how you can generate leads, how you can nourish them through your landing pages. This is the most important thing you need to know. And the last video, and I'm also thinking to add more videos in this series, but the last video is going to be totally about what kind of mistakes you have to avoid when you are just getting started, in your initial stages, in your middle stages, and in your high stages. How you can do that, how you can scale that, how you can build that. This is going to be the whole 7 to 8 video series where I'm going to teach you from scratch to the pro how you can scale your business to the next level with each and everything in detail. So if you are not leveraging the power of social media marketing and social media advertisement, then this is the right time to get started. It's 2021. Opportunities are coming to you. Leads are waiting for you to come and reach out them, and you can close them. There are thousands and millions and billions of people spending their hours and hours on social media nowadays. If you are not leveraging the power of social media right now, you will never ever going to do that and achieve the success that your business needs. To scale your business, to scale your revenue and skyrocket it. This is the best time that you can use. Where lots of people are decreasing their marketing budget because of some COVID viruses coming on, you need to scale your marketing budget, because this is the time where people are spending most of their times on mobile phones and they don't know what to do. They are engaging with lots of ads. and you are not there. Your competitors are taking benefit from you, and you are not building your personal brand out there and leveraging the power of Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. Podcast is something really going great. That's why I created this video series for all of the interior designer. Or if you want me to continue this series for a long period of time, comment down below. Yes, we want 20 videos, 30 videos, 40 videos on this topic, how you can build your business. Drop all your queries in the comment below so that I can reply you in next 24 hours. Thank you so much. So without wasting a single second right now, let's get into the. So hey guys, so it's here we are on our desktop screen. So now we are going to start the part 1 of social media marketing strategies, social media marketing, how interior designers can bring more leads to their to on table using social media marketing. So here I'm going to tell you my all proven strategies that working and now whenever you are watching this video. So without wasting a single second, let's present the worksheet and let's get started. So the first most important thing before going ahead, what I want to tell you is you need to be patient when you are just getting started with all these things. Because what most of the people do, they do this for 2 to 3 weeks and then they neglect. Yeah, I don't want to do this. Nothing can bring result and all these things. This is not what you have to do. You need to be consistent with that. And that's where the most of the problem lies. You also need to handle your operations, your business, your current clients and all these things. And you also going to handle the clients that you are going to get from here. So what you can do instead of that, if you want, you can outsource this whole marketing work to us. And we are going to take care of all these things, going to give you the leads. You just need to close them. Simple. But still, if you don't want to do, you can try it by your own self. But if you need any help, link is available in the description box of free one-to-one consultation call. You can book with us and then we can get started. So let's begin. Who this is for? This is for interior designer. You might be a kitchen designer, bathroom designer, bedroom, living room, space planning, color consulting, furniture selection, kids bedroom design, dining room design, custom furniture, lighting design, whatever kind of designing you do, this is for you. This is for all kind of interior designers who wants more business, who wants more leads, who wants to skyrocket their revenues and sales to the next level this year, next year, in next 5 years, and continuously. So the first most important thing, you need to focus on being a good mindset. Start this with good mindset. Start with the fresh mindset. Write your goals on a paper, like how many leads you want this month using this social media marketing strategy. See it them, watch it them on the daily basis whenever you're going to wake up and get started with your career. So here is, first of all, you need to figure out the best platform. If you are excited for this video, to go ahead, comment down below. Yes, I am excited. I would love to see your responses. Do this. I would love to see this. I'm appreciate if you do this. So figure out what is the best platform. What most of the interior designer mistake is, they don't figure out which is the best platform. They try to go on Insta, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, Quora, start podcast, start doing every goddamn thing that they don't need to do when you are just getting started. Because if you do all these things, if you start putting 100 pieces of content on the daily basis from the day one, if you are just getting started, you're going to get pro, you're going to get burnout, you start going to get feel like, no, I don't want to do, it's not working, and you're going to get burnout. And if you just focus on producing 100 pieces of content a day on these social media channel, then when you are going to handle your business. So when you are just getting started, choose only one or two platforms. You maybe choose Instagram or Facebook. Instagram and Facebook both connected with each other. So if I'm saying Instagram, that means it's Facebook. If I'm saying Facebook, that means it's Instagram. You can go with Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. You can go with Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, but keep Instagram, Facebook as a primary option. And second platform, you can choose Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Quora, Start Podcast. You can choose any one of them. But your primary apps, primary social media handles should be Instagram and Facebook. We have a vast and the majority of audience there who are spending their time on the daily basis, and just need to take their eyeballs, capture them and close them. Simple. Bring more traffic, convert them into lead. close them. Simple formula of getting more business online. So here is the pro tip that I told you: choose only one or two platform, not more than that, when you are just getting started. So here is the main key and major part came. You need to optimize your profile. The reason why I told you to choose only one or two platform, it's not like you just need to create a profile out there. You need to have your social media profile on everywhere. Like you should create your YouTube channel. You should have your LinkedIn page properly registered. You should have your Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Quora, podcast, everything. But the place, the major platform where you need to start producing content should be one or two, not more than that, where you're putting content on the daily basis. So let's first talk about the Instagram optimization, Instagram profile optimization. Here you can see some of the interior designer page. Motive home, you can clearly see she written down the residential interior designer. She do interior designing for residential part. So here you can see creating balanced life space representing the personalities, lifestyle or our clientele, and Palm Beach, Orlando. So here you can see simple structure. The next example we can take when it's come to profile optimization. Here she has, like, first of all, let's talk about this. Have a DP, clear cut DP with the face. Don't don't upload DPs like like this. Just keep your headshot pic. Headshot pic should be there. Only this part should be coming out there in the DP. You can clearly see this much. This is the best example of what kind of DP you can use. Here you can also clearly see this is the best example of DP you can have. Choose this DP and you need to use this one DP on all the social media platforms, on LinkedIn, Insta, Facebook, YouTube, everywhere. Only one DP. Let me tell you why afterwards. So this is what you have to do. Here you can see award winning. Here she posted a success story, kitchen, bath, remodel featured in these places, and they should talk about. And this is the most important thing. You should have link in the bio. Here she also have link in the bio. Here she also have link in the bio. Let's open it now. Here she put in their website. So all the social media handles going great, but she don't have Pixel installed yet. I don't know why, but yeah, we'll try to reach out to her and let her know. So here you can see, here is the link tree. She mentioned everything: his portfolio, her portfolio, site, everything, press shop, everything. Book a virtual consultation. Everything is out there. If you want to visit his website, here it's a website. She might have Pixel installed because she is like award-winning interior designer. She might be doing online marketing. You can clearly see she has a Pixel installed. This means she's tracking each and every person who is coming to his website. Now I come to his website, her website. Now she can track me back using Facebook ads. So simple. Here it's mentioned everything. Nice. That's great. So this is the best example. Let me show you my ad that can also bring more value to you. So here you can clearly see this is my one of the victory, like 150K views across all the social media platform. Major release from YouTube, 125K. CEO of ASD Media. I help interior designers to get more projects and skyrocket their business. Free one-to-one consultation. That's it. Simple, clear cut, simple. So that's what you have to do. Then the next thing you can see here, I also mentioned here I am doing a free lead magnet. I'm here offering free lead magnet. You can book a one-to-one consultation call with me. You can also use some of the other free lead magnet like case study, some kind of budget they need while doing interior designer, what things they should need to know before doing their interior designer home, how to choose the best interior designer in the city. Lots of things you can offer as a lead magnet. Lead magnet is something for free that you are offering them. In exchange, you are taking their name, email address, and phone number, and then simply close them once they give you their data. Simple, no big deal. So this is what you have to do. This is what when it's come to profile optimization. I can also show you my Facebook profile that you can manage. You need to focus more on your Facebook profile than your Facebook page. That's where the real money comes. You can clearly see the way I optimize my Facebook page. Let me show you. Here it is. I help interior designers slash slash dash this thing. Here it is. And you can clearly see I have one DP across both the platforms. Same DP, same DP. So let me show, I will tell you later why it's very important to do for you this. So let's go to second part, theme. You need to decide the theme of your Instagram page. Let me show you this. You can clearly see
the way she uploading all his pics, talking about his work, clientele, everything. Here also you can see. Or if you want, there are basically 9 types of themes out there on the Instagram. The first one is like a simple grid layout, squares you are putting content. The next is kind of, this is like diagonal part, like here is the whole copy ice cream. So you can also do like residential interior slash slash slash. You can like create it this your own. You can see the simple example. Because if I tell you everything, you also need to use your brain, and let's make it some bigger, and then you can do tiles. This is my favorite one. You can do this. In between there is a simple one, and beside that you can simply use. This is my favorite. And this row by row, you can see here what she mentioned about clear. You can get, I don't need to like explain much more about this. You can get line in the middle. Here, this is also one of the best thing you can do. Like two sides photo and something written in between. This is also you can use. So this is borders. You can use like this border stuff. Have some white line like in the square format, and then you can use it. This circle one, it looks really good. This puzzle one, all these are, you can choose any theme, but at when you're just getting started, you can go with any theme or with no theme. You can upload whatever you want, but yeah, when you have a theme, you know clearly when and what you have to upload. So this is what when it's come to the theme part. Next is the content strategy. This is the most important thing. You have your profile set, you have your pixel, sorry, your theme decided, ready. Now it's come to content. What kind of content you are going to post on your social media handles? This is the real tragedy. You need to know what kind of content you are going to post so you can plan your whole social media content strategy. Like on Monday, reel going to be there. On Tuesday, IGTV. Wednesday, carousel post. What kind of carousel post? Informational, portfolio. What kind of content you can upload? Motivational quotes. You can figure out and plan your content strategy according to that. So this is what you need to do. And if you want to create a separate video on this, comment down below. I want content strategy video. I will definitely going to create for you and reply to you with the link in the description box in your comment section. So this is what you have to do. On which day, what type of content, and when going to upload. This is what is the content strategy. The next strategy is like the gem, the diamond. This strategy is founded by Mr. Legend Gary Vaynerchuk. Gary, if you know him, who is he? Comment down below. Gary V, Gary V, Gary V. Let him know. We know and we are using his strategies. So, what is this $80 strategy? Let me tell you with the simple example practically. So, let's say you are an interior designer. So, you simply go search hashtag interior designers. You can go with any hashtag. It's a pretty big, broad hashtag. You can go with this. So, when we go with this, we get two options like top post and the recent post. For $80 strategy, you don't need to go with the recent post. You need to go with the top posts. Here you can see this is the top post currently going right now. So sorry, I don't understand German. So yeah, here you can see this is the brand name from New York. They are promoting some order pre. Our pre-order sale is happening now. They are just some doing this. So what you have to do, you need to go on this post, see what they written in their description, what kind of post they have, and you need to put the valuable driven comment. What most of the people do, they just post follow us, see our bio, like for like, this stuff that what most of the people do. But you don't need to do that. You need to much focus on, here you can see some people are doing some shit work like promote it on marketing boost, promote it on parasites of that. This shit is nobody going to love. You need to put $80 strategy. Put something value driven comment. So let's say I can put glad to be part of your free order. Thanks for sharing this. That's great. You are offering 20% off. Comment. What going to happen now? Let me tell you that. When you are going to comment these kind of stuff, there are also hundreds of people commenting on this post, like truly true people, like those who are truly your customer, truly your potential buyer. So what you have to do, you just need to simply comment like this. When they are going to land on this post, going to try to comment, they are going to read your comment also. When they see some value driven stuff, they're going to read it. If they like, they will definitely going to go your Instagram page and try to figure out who you are, go through your lead magnet, fill the form, and you close them. Simple. This is what $80 strategy is. There are only two simplest way to grow on social media platform: upload value driven content or engage with value driven content. That's it. Simple rule. No some shitty big lifestyle you need to show. You just need to be put in the work. Engage with content, upload engaging content. Engage with content, upload engaging content. That's it. Simple. No hard deal, no big deal. So this is what I want to tell you through this video. I hope you like this video. Comment down below your thoughts and also comment down below all your queries you have. I will going to reply.